Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing from Lagom Skincare. Now, Lagom, it's not a subscription box. It is just a retailer. They reached out to me and asked me to pick out a product to try to show you. Now, I wasn't sure what to pick, so I chose their travel kit, which is right here. Now, this runs for $28, and it has 4 products inside. Now, I'd like to review some of these. Well, I'd like to review all of these with you right now before I show you what else I got. So again, they did send this free for review. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Now, it comes in this kind of off-white vegan leather bag with a zipper on top, and inside there are 4 products. And the first product is the Deep Moisture Cream. It's the Cellus Deep Moisture Cream. Now, they have Cellus and Cell Up. Now, I think the Cell Up line is for cleansing and pH balancing, and then the Cellus product is moisturizing, toning, that sort of thing. So the Deep Moisture Cream, this is a tiny little sample. Now, the full size is 2.2 ounces and runs $49. This is very soft, very moisturizing, has no scent other than the product itself, which is very light itself. I mixed this with my collagen at night and my hyaluronic acid during the day. I really like this product. I really do. So I was very happy with that. Now, my skin is so sensitive that if on the second day I start breaking out, it's because of the new product I introduced. None of these products made my skin break out at all. So I was very happy about that. Okay, so the next one is the Cell Up Gel to Water Cleanser. Now, the full size is 7.44 ounces and runs for $25. Now, this stuff goes a long way. Now, what I use this for is to melt my makeup. So it goes on clear, it doesn't foam up at all, and you can see it dissolve your makeup right away. And then what I would do is come in with a makeup eraser, you know, like one of these makeup eraser cloths, and I would get it wet and I would just wipe all the makeup completely off. So that's what I used this for. It felt really good. It melted the makeup. Very happy with that. And then I'm going for the box. I want to open that. The next one is the Microfoam Cleanser. This full size is 4.5 ounces for $23. Again, these are all samples or travel size that I have right here. Now, I would use this following up after my gel to water. And this just a little bit, and you introduce water to it, and it starts foaming right away. It looks like a white lotion. See? It looks like a little white lotion, and then you introduce a little bit of water into it, and it starts foaming. And it is the softest, silkiest foam ever. And it cleaned the rest of the makeup off that I missed. It's wonderful. It made my skin feel clean without it feeling too tight or stripped of oils. It was just really nice and clean. So I'm a big fan. Now the last thing is a mist toner. Now the full size is 4.5 ounces and runs for $32. It is a very fine mist. And now some people don't like mist toners. They feel like it's not doing anything. They're used to using the cotton rounds. Okay, you can still do that. Spray it on your face, take the cotton round and rub it in. But what I do is I use my fingers. So I spray it on my face and then I just kind of just work it into my skin and let it dry and then move on to my serum. Now, as far as fragrances, they all smell very light on their own. Some things have like a lemony scent to them, which I found very pleasing. I really liked the scent. So after using these 4 things for 2 weeks, I really liked using them. So much so that I think I might be ordering. I think that this line is fairly reasonable. It's a high quality line that doesn't give you those unbelievable prices. So I think that these products are actually affordable. So let's get to the box. Now, they asked me to go ahead and pick out something else, so they did send this to me free for review. If I can figure out how to get the box open, here we go. Again, it comes in a nice white tissue. And this is how they package their products, in a nice clear bag with a ribbon. Here is their social info. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. Not too crazy about the plastic bag though. So I received more of the Deep Moisture Cream. This runs for $49. It's 2.2 ounces. It comes with a little spatula. It is glass. Very pretty. Even their design is minimalistic, but it looks so nice. I love it. Comes sealed. That's what it looks like. Yeah, even this has a light lemony smell. It's nice and soft. It's not too thick and not too thin. And it just rubs right in there. It's nice. It does not have a greasy feel. That lemony smell, I love that smell. So I am glad that I got this because I've used pretty much all of this. I think this morning was the last one. I might be able to get a little bit more tomorrow morning. But I really liked it, so I am very happy to get this. Good skincare that isn't all fancy-dancy and frilly and it has charcoal or it has this in it or that in it. I mean, it is just simple ingredients that work. And I am a big proponent of this brand. And I will leave a link for you down below. Now, they've also given me a discount code for you to save 10% on any purchases that you may make. It is a referral link, so I do make a small commission on those sales. But I will turn around and use that to get more of their products to show you. They have quite a variety of different cleansers and moisturizers and even a powder and toners. They've got quite a few things to choose from. So I would definitely go check them out. On that note, I am happy you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.